Yeah.
Alright, because I definitely disagree with that.
You don't think it should be transparent?
I don't think so. I don't think that needed, brother. I think that that to me just is an unnecessary rule, dog.
I like it because I believe once you push against it, it will open Pandora's box.
Yeah, but I don't think I think about it. Oh yeah, I think about it. I think it is a bullying tactic, dog. I think that's the reason why they
It might be, but you start?
It's a record long time.
Okay, you can start now.
Yeah, start.
Yeah, introduce the topic first.
Yeah, well, welcome back to another episode of Reason Podcast. See, I think I'm going to World Athletics. Isn't me? This transparency thing with transfers. Personally, I tell you, before Jamaica, I have strong feelings about it clearly. I just feel like say it is a bullying tactic to stop the athlete them from trying to get more money. The bottom line is that these athletes are valuable and they're not getting valuables. You get me? I say that me think I go on. And this to me does seem like a bullying thing, dog. Say, alright, you know what? I'm gonna take the ball and go home. That I saw it sound to me, dog. Like why you want to see my card then, brother? Play card and go through. What me feel like for transparent is the contract itself, dog.
Yeah.
That me feel like that.
But alright, for the concept of Pandora's box, so I hope need to can't close back.
Yeah.
If I'm a country who sees I have resources and I see the need of a particular talent that if I bring into my country, it not only improves the sport itself, but also the moral around the athletes. So now, say for example, a country like Turkey, I think they had a 200-meter runner before.
Yeah, win world champs.
World champs. Good live, right?
I don't name something like that.
It was after both. So good. Yeah, I bring in him. I don't really see nobody else after that. If I can give my citizens something to cheer for, and I have the money for it, why wouldn't I buy it? But when we start talking about, as I said, track and field are one of the few pro sports where contracts like it's not even say it's obscured, it's hidden. It's like a man say, yo, this I'm gonna get 90, I wanna say I get 130, so now me and I say, yo, you're gonna get between 90 and 130, so probably I want it. No, but if me as a country I look at them and say, alright, me have to tell you how much me I buy this athlete for, because I buy the athlete, me I buy the talent of the athlete. Me I go look at them and say, fair. Start telling people how much you should come to pay them.
But
let's open that.
Yeah, but I know the government can't make rules in the dog. Alright, it's like when time.
Pressure.
Which pressure?
Pressure.
Pressure from who? Remember I say there's no pressure because guess what? World Athletics is the governing body. And there's no other country where they talk to more than Turkey.
Turkey at first one.
Yes. True.
Turkey at first one. I promise this is just one of you.
Yeah, but the rules they might change the rules.
No,
so you can get one male, one female. So it a water I think down. You see me I say? It's a bullying thing, dog. That's so me see, dog. It's a bullying thing.
But eventually it's gonna have some retroactive prospects to it. Because alright, for example, I think the most recent case, and this is one of the moves that I see happen, and I'm like, I'm surprised she stayed that long. Nigeria favor Philly. I think I don't remember what the first Olympics is about. I saw them having some post.
2020, yeah.
I don't remember what the issue was.
They've never registered some people them.
Alright, but the second time come around now, they never registered. Me I left.
But she left. And
she left.
But Nigeria stop her.
Did they stop it or they slow it down?
I think Nigeria stop it, bro.
Why me I do that now? You know, me training all year. You can't enter my name on paper. The small, you have the easiest job. Why am I first? No, you have along my life.
Alright. So
now, me make a case and say, this is the governing body. This is twice it happens in 4 years. 4 years, you never enter me first time, come back again, you're clearly offended against me. I would like to leave this country. Why are you holding me back? Why is there only a quota for one of us to leave?
Alright. So one time JH did that. Me agree with you, I say, yeah, great point in that. But JJ did the same thing to Nayana, the javelin thrower. The girl qualifying in a carrier.
A carrier.
Yeah.
That's a good case to live. Me not to be fan left.
Yes.
Come on, me not get to don't left. If you feel like you get one on left.
Yeah, but alright. So me as the Olympic gold medalist and record holder, bronze medalist, prospect who Jaydon be, and silver medalist as Pinnock. See that and see what go on after me come back for Olympics, brother.
Yeah.
what me I gonna do? Brother, the man them not getting no parade in a dog. No parade.
It's expected. That's like
dog,
sad to say. Sad to say. It's not an unexpected thing.
Yeah, that, me not. Where is it? As in, what you mean?
Well, how am I say this now? I probably recently in Jamaica realized that it's not so easy in track and field. As I say, bro, as much as Bolt has done for the sport, he created this level of unrealism within the sport.
True.
You know, so when you come back and a man say, boy, Blake, for retire a long time, because he come foot. You know how it is from too much rounds. If you come back from a Blake, come back from and still do it, and you got pressure him man, so the man come foot. You have country ready for qualify.
Turkey. Turkey, dog.
Well, for example, and the man come back now, you want countryman in my bash him. You understand? Saying I go get crowned in a place, but oh God, man. If you government body, can you tell me to big up yourself, Mr. Blake?
Yeah. I mean, after me see a little thing going on social media and getting out of distinction. Can you get in thing?
Yeah, but the time when everybody get feeling thing, give me my one, no. Give me my, them do it, give me my one, no. I don't want to get respect everybody, give me my one, no.
On your flowers, no.
No. You know, chef, me I got live to see it. No one see me, no.
True.
You see, so, but if it's a case where, I'm not sure about the restriction, but that's the first time hearing about it. I don't know whether it's time to restrict it to one. Is it one
male, one female per year? I think so, yeah. I think so. Yeah, that. But definitely one male and female, something like that. So basically, what going on is that the man them within a portal right now, basically. A portal. They might not transfer all of them. Yeah. So.
Alright, but if alright, look what this is. If there's a mass exodus of my most talented athletes, that's going somewhere. Is it monetary or is it treatment? Because it's something I figure, bro. Money, as good as money is, I promise it's not the all and all.
Okay, I agree. But alright, let's look at this for example. How important is it for you to survive as an athlete?
Yeah, no. Alright, that come like say, yo.
Brother.
No, hold on, you come like say, yo. I can't give me 100 grand, I'm filming country say, yo, say 50,000 there. Me I gotta get up and give me say extra 50,000. Like,
but the man not 50,000, brother.
That's my point. If it's the case where you give me $500.
Yeah.
Thanks again, you give me $500 compared to a man where you give me X amount of money. Me not blind. Me not blind. You're a human being. Come on now. Come on now. If you were in my shoes, you'd have done the same thing. You'd just vex us. I mean, I do it.
Yes.
But I think if you're starting to say how much are you, I don't want to call it reimbursing.
So
how much are you paying this athlete for his talent? And I want to know this amount. I think it's going to open a lot of avenues. Why is there so many countries leaving from such a established program like Jamaica? Why are you losing so much athletes? What are you not giving? These athletes bringing so much recognition around the country. Are you not paying them what we're giving you?
Yeah.
Is it the payments are delayed? Are they not happy?
Most money, brother. Most money.
It's not always money though.
It's always money.
It's not always money.
Brother, it is a job.
It is a job, but I'm telling you, it's not always money.
If you not get paid for your job, then what's the point?
If you get underpaid, there's a difference, but it's not always money.
Then name a reason why you left your work and go on different place go work.
Toxic environment. Toxic environment. I realize people don't hear when I talk.
That's
it's different from money.
I see what you're saying, but
it's different from money. Not because me can go one place and make 100 tours like me don't know this a place, me don't know my people here. Me go learn one different language, one different culture. Me have feel one different food. That's hard in the culture, but different food, different everything, different customs, all that. Me can get half how you give me. Me comfortable. I'm comfortable right here. But if I'm not comfortable right here, why am I going to stay here for?
You have a point.
For less than.
Yeah, you have a point.
You treat me like one. Why? You see, like one peasant. Come on.
Yeah. No, I agree.
You see, but as I said, like,
I agree.
I feel like if you're going to pressure countries to tell them how much to the exact zero, how much I get, I think the retroactive possibility of it is it will open up a lot of these shoe contracts. So track and field will now be
a public sport. So me ask that question. You feel like say the country will get a cut at the athlete them and left. You know like how in a football and everything they buy out a contract.
Oh yeah, like me get a 50,000. I feel like them push us still now. I think they're pushing for that. They must say, yo, if you're taking our revenue producing athletes, give us something so we can build up a new class. I feel like that's the one. Because this country, bro, alright, look at you listen. Turkey, formerly known as Constantinople.
What? I didn't know that.
rich place. I don't know boy thing. Rich place.
What are you reaching now? I'll goal.
I'm not, the one I know about is textile, fabrics, trade.
Oh.
That's half I do, but they have a lot of other stuff. Medical tourism, a lot of other stuff. Like
medical tourism. Okay.
Yeah, if you have.
Yeah.
It's a richest place. They have a lot of avenues of. So you know, I think the other one I saw was, what's the Florida guy's name again? 400 disappeared after a while. Nigerian also.
Oh, I know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Went to one of the Arabic countries.
What in transfer agents?
Bro, I did. You know, see what I'm going? Rich in the aisle. Rich in the aisle.
How would the boy name again, dog? What you asked me, dog?
Rich in the aisle.
In transfer?
It was in the process.
Oh, I mean that one.
Rich in the aisle. Feel it. Boy, I should try. I can tell. Heartbreak.
So you not transfer?
I not a reason for transfer. Jamaica not treat me bad. The only time Jamaica treat me bad, I would come mostly maybe I try go for your goal, but you know say if you give and take. So I never go reach your goal, I never reach your podium. And then tell me say better me do faster than my teammate, and look hurt me still, you know.
Oh, I mean
I say boy I really goal me there for, you know. But at tracks, I Jamaica me come from, you have to look at thick skin. So that's what I tell you, some more me around now, me put up my phone, you can't tell me record on. I don't want to see what I want.
That's what I say.
Yeah, bro, but if that's the case, I think it opens. Why? It opens a lot of avenues.
Listen, I don't think it's necessary. I think it's a stupid rule. I think it's more important for us as people to know what's going on within the domain of the payment versus like
the public.
No, yeah, public know what going on, brother. Because in every other sport, brother, in every other professional sport, dog, we know what going on, brother. You see me? I so come you get the value, dog. But if it seems like say you're in a track and field, they want to belittle you, dog. Because really and truly, you know, brother.
There's a lot of federations, not organizations. I think they do belittle the athletes. I think they forget that the reason they're even traveling is because there's an athlete of certain caliber or athletes former of certain caliber that can put us on this map. For even some shoe companies to say, all right, we're going to sponsor this trip, and now you're going to treat us like, say, boy.
Look how St. Lucia David Julian.
Diplomatic.
Jesus.
Further yet, I went to Barbados for a meet.
Yeah.
I think it's Shade Williams.
Yeah. So,
Face everywhere.
Yeah.
As you land.
Really?
As you land.
Too much we have, you know?
Too much. We don't know what we have till it gone. Now we have ball about it. Now we have ball about it because you want me gone, I want me to do things. Now we have ball about it.
Yeah.
You see, you know what I mean? Based on my homeboy telling me, like, she will get like piece of land too. Big something.
Brother, from when me
and a Turkey Cup. And I feel like goal. A Turkey Cup.
Brother, from when me I saw forget the road and land, I know.
Yeah, empty promises. Is it but
boy? A fool, brother.
Yeah, comfort to a fool, you know.
Yeah, well, are we comfortable?
Man, I say promise, man. Comfort to a fool.
Yeah, well, are we comfortable, brother? I tell you that right now.
Because, that's what I say, bro. Like, and with this whole allegiance things, I think it's going to open up a lot of channels for.
I don't think.
No. Listen, man.
I think they're trying to close these channels, brother.
Hold on, man. Listen, man. Yeah, I have to understand the federations are different from governments. No, listen, the federation is different from government. If I'm losing the biggest crop of my athletes, I can audit. I can audit. I think there's a lot of stuff that will be done within the organization, federations. Like, okay, what exactly happened to athletes? Why? I think they probably even skip the federation and be like, why is it that you want to leave?
That's not gone.
You don't think so?
No. Never, brother. brother.
Little Willie or Kishan leave.
Brother.
And it's what happened.
Brother. No auditing, reservoir.
No. I just use the word audit to check what is happening to see what going on.
We should have checked that long time, brother.
No, I'm not talking financially, you know. I just use audit like as a blanket for say, boy. Is that you're not treating athletes right? What is the problem?
Clear as day, brother. That should have gone. If that not going now, that not going then, brother.
We never lose athletes in a damn numbers. Our qualities back then though. We probably lose an athlete when they reach 28 to a country like Slovakia or Slovenia. When I'm out in them prime, I may have a new up and coming athlete. But when I'm using my young athletes as well, my future already gone.
Yeah.
So what happened now? Like, what make a check?
But when them come and see brother, them realize, say brother, if me don't step out of line, I'm gonna just go back in and go through the same door, dog. At that I go on, brother, the man them a fight back, dog, and the system decides say you're not gonna beat me because here, dog. This is why I feel like it's a bullying thing, brother. Circle that I'm on. Body down at Jamaica, wifey, body thing, dog. With Jamaica, and then all of a sudden this rule come out, dog. This seem personal, brother. This seem like, say, yo.
It might be.
I think it's personal, brother.
Might be,
I understand where they come from when I say, yo, like.
You protect your asses. Like, not because you have more money than me, you're just going to buy everything I have. You weren't there when this person was going through prep champs or primary champs. I understand, I understand that part of it, but.
Brother.
I'm saying, get a good time for breed.
I don't think it's a good idea. I think that transparency thing is unnecessary. It's just, I think that is bullying. I don't think we need that transparency. It doesn't matter. I think we need actual transparency, because how often are we going to see athletes transfer?
When you say transparency, what do you mean? Because
they want to know how much money they want to get by.
You're talking financially?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
No, man, I say transparency, bro. If it's, as I'm saying, I don't think it's always a money thing. I mean, I feel and everybody I go see more zeros and just jump for it. If I'm good here.
Brother, man, I'm hungry now, brother.
If we get 50 grand for Jamaica, I'm just saying, like, in that case.
You're not living up to that.
No, I'm just saying, like, if I get 50 grand for Jamaica versus 100,000 heavier, sometimes based on cost of living, it works out to be the same. It just look more yes, because I take 100 grand for yes to bring it back yes.
That's a question, dog. You think, say, if a man might get by what? I feel nothing less than probably 4 times the amount.
Oh, no, for sure.
Yeah, dog. That means, say, brother, and it's not like, say, yo, the man them not ask you a little help, dog, and just not get it.
Yeah, no, I know that. Perfect. Yeah.
Watch it, you know that, yeah.
No, man. Actually, know he kind of look good.
Yeah.
But one of the athletes that left, he got injured, I believe, when he was competing.
Yeah.
And he was saying that Jamaica never bat eye after him.
He go live and say it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Me not still not gonna. But
yeah.
Even said Jamaica no bat eye after me get hurt. Like.
Yeah. As the top junior.
Yeah. Why is that the case? I'm supposed to be you guys' new 19 shining armor.
Yeah.
And because when me there shine, you put me on the pedestal. So why one day one piece of shadow catch me? I mean I shine as much. You turn your back on me. Like, come on, me I feel and somewhere else. Not only going to pay me more. Whatever I do over there will be the standard for years.
Fox.
Will be the standards for years.
Fox.
Why am I going to stay somewhere where I'm being ill-treated?
True.
Because of this me ban? Come on now. A long time I migrate. Me promise you not stop now.
So you think it's more about feelings than financials?
It's a mixture of both. Cause once me say, me not different from most people, bro. When you see zero then line up, you know, you get to thinking.
Yeah.
And then, but here's the thing first. The next thing for actually make it call and say, me actually going left. What I start looking at me and say, no, so then people don't really treat me like that, though.
Yeah.
It hurt. It's very hurtful.
No,
and if that is such, I'm gonna be honest, if that is the case, because everything can be circumvented.
Yeah. If a big word to still not go through.
Yeah. If that is the case, and you're saying once an athlete has competed for Jamaica past a youth stage.
Yeah.
They can't judge it. After me reaching 20, I'm not run for Jamaica no more.
But that don't make sense because I lose value because I must say
no. If I have the talent and I see I have the talent to boy, I don't know the next 3-4 years look like. If I run 9, if I run 10-1. 10-1-5.
Everybody run 10-1 now.
No, I'm just saying, as an athlete. I had pan 10 and I run 10-1. And next country by me and say, I'm trying 10-1? I like your progress.
Yeah.
How would you like to come run first? Yeah, go ahead. Simple maths. Come on.
Yeah.
And even if I make an under 23 team, which will put me over the under 20 limit, I might think about him and say, I'm going to have something to show if I'm going to about him. I left so. Regardless of what I do, I'm going to get by the money with me that get. I left.
True.
You see, so as much as they would want to implement certain rules, it can always be circumvented.
So you feel like, say, if you're a man...
If so be case, I don't compete a carifter either. I just do champs and go on my business. I run and attach a big meat. It can always be circumvented.
So yeah, say, if you right now was a less top man, you take a absent. Like if you are a man and
if I've never made a national team?
Yeah, but you are around 10-1. You make it final, you get a 4 2 years in a row.
No, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
4 2 years in a row.
I've never made a national team. I don't know what it's like to travel with Jamaica. I don't know what it's like for hear my national anthem playing on a stadium. There's no memories attached. It's no purely financial.
Okay.
But me love Jamaica, I can always ship Flour there everywhere. Me can ship yam. Me can buy saltfish. Me can ship ackee in one tin. Me not gonna miss it that much. But I don't know what it's like.
Okay.
I don't know what it's like. I don't know what it's like to put down here and somebody say, oh, it's Jamaicans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see what you say. I still not really agree. Me not agree. Me get it, I get what you say. But what I say is that what I don't agree with is that like
opening of the books.
Based on the experience is why I wouldn't leave. Like I don't think that matters because, for example, brother.
Half less something you know about them, dog.
Yeah, brother. Boy, if I meet some good girl like dog, and it just not gonna work out, brother.
Yeah, not hard flex. You left eventually, but you hard. But I can leave.
Mm-hmm.
I can leave after. This don't look like something like based on what you tell me, the one transfer per year. It don't look like you can leave. Furthermore, there's a lot of Caribbean countries. But Mr. Jamaica really blessed, you know.
Yeah,
there's a lot of Caribbean countries. The smaller islands. They don't love you half of the time I have.
Yeah. True, but they not gonna do that though.
I just want somebody grandmother need for born over there. Or come or mark.
I think I just always train, dog.
Train?
Yeah, I think I training, bro.
So, how many international artists do you think train in Jamaica? Sade, Barbados great. I was gonna say, Barbados is your face.
Yeah.
She trains to MPP.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I feel like the training is what it is. It's not necessarily like.
Yeah, so what?
Genetics.
You feel my coach gonna give two shits if I'm suddenly a Cayman Island representative, or if I suddenly represent the Bahamas or Trinidad? He might not get money from a training.
Yeah,
and furthermore, he has a diverse athlete.
Okay, but look at when Pinnock agent that say, yo, I'm against it because he's loyal to Puma. What about that? Loyal to Jamaica, I mean.
Okay, come. I'm pretty sure it's a Türkiye Puma.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, true.
Yes, his art did not change it, right?
Yeah.
Puma leads going to Puma, Puma country.
Yeah.
But
you see me I say?
I say him against it.
Him come and say him against it.
Is he still his agent?
I don't know. I wouldn't want it to be my agent after he said that though. Like, I don't think that's a good thing to say.
This is a crazy concept, you know. But once you get the ball rolling, you know how to roll.
Yeah.
It's hard to change. It's a hard thing to change.
I don't know what kind of whole agent have on a country versus them athlete, brother. I don't see that as been making any sense. Like, I'm loyal to who pays me.
Yeah, if you understand the way how politics in a certain things work. So I don't know if it's that, but based on my reason and ability, I would say if you're an agent and you co-signed for one of my country's top athletes to switch allegiance, I promise you, I'll do all my best to make sure you never get an extra Jamaican athlete. Ever again.
The country don't.
I'm not saying it's the country itself, but you have to understand it, bro. If I'm a 19-year-old looking for an athlete to sign, and I see this 10-year-old guy versus 5 other athletes, and the only thing I can offer me is say, boy, you can't see me got turkey going. I'm not saying that that's the biggest card you have right now, because the other agents in Jamaica, as well as certain coaches, kind of have you up on a local lull.
Yeah.
But me, I got tell you about that agent, you know, man. Things we probably never do.
But that's no good, dog.
That's the nature of life, bro. You're going to like people nice.
That choose to
you want people nice, dog. Bro. You're too kind, man.
That's not good, dog.
I just saw the world run, me can't change it. My fellas live with it.
That's not good, brother.
That's just the truth.
Brother, the agent should be loyal to the athlete.
Yeah, but
not whatever.
Alright, this particular agent, how many athletes does he have outside of Jamaica? Not many?
Me don't know.
Alright, see never.
I don't know. But it's sound like see a Jamaica bread and butter.
Why me not lose my bread and butter? This a man career limited, you know.
Me see what you're saying that, but what me say is that, brother, you can't loyal to a country, brother, you're loyal to your athlete, brother. That means
I don't necessarily the country man loyal to, you know.
A country man loyal to, brother.
I don't necessarily even the country, I just you have to understand, you know. Me might tell you say, yo, Rim, watching my dog, your money up over there still, you know, go on, but me must say, me kind of have to save my face, you know. So now watch what me I say right now. And they say, boy, I don't co-sign it. You know, he's his own big man.
Whatever can look. Go through.
He's his own big man. He gets to choose his life. I'm just here to support it. But I don't necessarily agree with this. It doesn't take much to say that, bro. You have to understand, like, you're going like, you sip on TV, really, no? Come on, no. Don't tell every day about this. Stop just sip on social media.
That's true still, but I don't think that's how it works at all.
You feel so?
No, I don't think so. What man said, dog, was some serious thing, but man go up on an actual press run about it, dog. Man go up on a press run about it, dog. Man, let me see Wayne. See if we can find it, dog. Oh, that's too much Wayne about. Pinnock. So it's not going for go on.
Champs letting that you know?
Yeah, I want.
Oh my god, man. Oh, are they 8? Was it meters or 790?
Well, I don't even know.
I'm gonna do the legendary, man.
I want video with the man on the phone that
and then go turn back, go do hurdles after that? Turn up a place?
Wild shot.
Yeah, what? No, man, I shot the connect, man.
What's that last name? Pinnock. Yes. And even show me the rest of we dog agent me.
Usually says?
Yeah, man, I can't find it on Athletics, man.
You know, so you type of answer?
Yeah, man. Man, why not show me at all? No. I know why not show me that, but if you show you still lag.
Probably not today, man.
Hmm?
Probably not today.
Yeah, probably not today, boy. So they go still, but if me that him, I won't work with him, cause. But me understand business. I mean, I know say a sign. He need to get a contract.
Man probably have a 5-year left in support here. When him done, he may depend on royalties.
True, there's no royalties. No royalty at all.
Probably best for you, man. The thing about, you know better than I do.
Yeah.
When Jamaica blacklist you for one reason or the next,
yeah,
you stay blacklisted.
Yeah, but that don't make no sense. Any rule. That don't make no sense, brother.
Let me get that make no sense now.
That's not supposed to go on that. The blackballing thing for cut out, brother. That for cut out, brother.
Why you not gonna stop it then?
Brother. I don't know if you stop it, dog.
You gonna fight with the powers that be?
You have to fight, though, dog.
Man, no.
You see, let me tell you how I feel like.
Man, no rebel, you know.
Dog, that a problem, a man like you, a problem, brother.
No, definitely.
You see me feel like
we not gonna fight no war.
You see, we as Jamaican, dog, we are natural rebels, dog, and somewhere along the line we lose a fight, dog. The man them too passive nowadays, dog.
It's not passive.
A passive, brother.
Alright, look, perfect example. I am an athlete for this country. I understand that you can't sponsor an athlete that shows no promise. I work my ass off for a year. I do the distances. We have a talk. You say, alright, boss, make a start off on this. You give me a small food and no more food after that. Me not gonna give you. Me make a call, make a turkey. That is a different type of fight. Me not go back and forth and we do me that. So me come back to Jamaica now. Even when me throw good, you not gonna get a chance to blackball me.
Yeah, but you see,
me gone.
Yeah, but
that is fight.
But that is not fight.
You want me fight it, man? Me not gonna fight with them, man. Things sometimes change. Me already understand the game. You know, so me play my game as well.
I think what's happening right nowadays is that, dog, the man them more interested in making a team than like.
You get paid from it. You get paid for making a team. But go on top.
Yeah, but me I says that the man them more interested in making a team than like. I don't know if you explain it that. Like basically, the man just want to make a team, so they might just shut up and just go through life. Get me? I say that like the man them now say, yo, that is wrong, because you know, brother, they're more representative in the dog, and we now bully them. It's like our artists can come and say, yo, yeah, what? Cut out that. We have the numbers in the brother, but the thing is that we want to make the team say, if for example we say, yo, we say, we not strike basically.
Yeah, we not strike. But Ram, it's a my job, bro.
But get what you're saying.
Alright, while me and you can afford to strike, a next man can't afford to strike. Him need this one here. Him have a daughter to go feed. What me can't. I personally can't look at him and say, yo, watch out, we not in the 4x4 here. Him need to go feed him daughter.
But you know hear me say that is what a fight is, brother.
Yeah.
Brother.
Alright, are we going to come up and pay this man?
You don't understand how it's working at that.
I understand what you're saying, but it happens even in the workforce as well.
Yeah.
I am a part of a union, and they're telling me, don't go to work tomorrow. The job look at me and say, if you not come in to work tomorrow, you're losing your job. As my union friend, you have to go hit me. Me need to feed my daughter.
Yeah, but we're stronger in numbers, dog.
You have money can back up your sentiment of stronger in numbers.
I get what you're saying.
It's not the same as it once was, bro. Come on now.
I understand what you're saying.
Gas price raise, bro. Well, you can't use those to buy 2 bread.
No, I get what you're saying. That.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. I understand what you're saying.
I understand what you're saying, that, but what me I say is that, brother, regardless of say, we need to feed our family, I agree. But with a little starvation, brother, can go far away, dog.
You call it local starvation. This is dead to me.
I understand what you're saying, dog, but war is war, dog.
You are the casualty. I am the casualty. You don't understand. Okay. You understand you there be casualties. I am the casualty. So you can't go tell me say, boy, we need to fight, bro. Enough man fight and lose and if I call him hell. And then I feel body fear and go 2-3 seasons. And when we finally get back in that system, you there you peep from him. You tell him jump him say, oh hi. Cause him know where it go.
That's a problem.
It is a problem, but you can't want certain athletes to change that. You right man them left, sad to say. But the right man them left. I'm pretty sure people are looking and be like, okay, why did this great cup athlete, like we just had a record breaker, why is he no longer a Jamaican athlete? We had one of the most promising under 20 jumpers. Why is he no longer athlete? We had one of the most explosive champs athletes. Much get late to the system and come up. Why is he no? Yes, them man the right man. They can't manage it. Me can't manage it. So when my man left now, and me I say ratted.
I'm serious.
And me I say rat, and me I say boy, you know, say if I lose in next 2 years, boy, it help me forget though. We can't lose in next 2 years.
Alright, so you don't feel like so if them stay, how that would go? If them that jump see me or perform see me?
Come again, I understand that.
If say for example the rule go through, isn't me? Remember say they can only pick one now.
Pick one.
So Türkiye go pick one of them. Say them pick the one, me not say who them pick whatever. Other three if they come back, if they don't go represent Jamaica, see me? Or them just tuck them tail and say me need to jump for me money. That me I talk about.
Boy, prideful still, my dog.
You think man not go jump, brother?
You feel so?
You mean man not go jump, brother? Or not go make money?
You feel you going, boy?
They might go jump, dog. They might go through, dog.
Alright, but hold on. Did this rule come in before or after the fact?
What did it come in like 2 days ago?
I don't think it retroactively. I don't think it should retroactively affect them.
Nigga, it's for them basically, bro.
No. I feel like that's my retroactively. Like it can't be that say after me do something. I mean, at the escrow, you want to put you in my rule for that. That make no sense.
That's what we call it bullying.
Put it behind. No, is it a rule in front of them and behind them?
It a go in front of it, brother.
No way.
Dog, I shouldn't even see what I go on, brother.
No.
Yeah, dog.
I don't know. I didn't know it would affect them like that.
After this, I'm gonna go call and show you, dog. Believe you me, dog. Yeah, dog. Brother. Man, that me a try say that, brother.
We see that it's a bully.
Yeah, dog. A bully thing this, brother.
I don't know all that.
A bully, dog. Why? A bully, dog. You hold the power. And you say no. Like for example, when even know one company, dog, when I use, dog. Like Amazon, brother. The reason Amazon gets a powerful, brother, because guess what? They bully competition.
Man, that's business.
This is business too.
But the thing about business, bro, we can always why closest thing to Amazon? You can always choose eBay. You can always choose Etsy.
Yeah.
Something along the line.
But you're not going to.
Yeah, but I can't. I always had the option to.
Yeah.
If I have the option for left now, that is something else. That's what I say, like, that's what I'm bringing back to the point. If it's a case where you're treating the better athletes like this, and the rule is no, whatever the rule is, once I compete past a certain level, I can no longer transfer. It's 1 transfer per year. Where you feel I'm to the youth team? All of a sudden now you call under 23 team, nobody's answering the call. How that happen now?
They don't go answer the call.
Boy, badly. If I do 1 year, bro. I mean, about 4 years Olympics, and I really Olympics, me need the athlete for.
First of all, the man look on and say, yo, them not gonna be able to make certain team, for example. I'm sure you have it.
Yeah, because man, the thing about Jamaica, bro, like making a team, that promise to no man. And next country now, me never forget trials.
True.
You know what I say?
But me say, you see, told me say this thing that you see like all US man them when they come to Jamaica and represent Jamaica. I saw me see it, they just can't make US team. No knock to them.
Yeah, and it get you easy.
Yeah, that me I saw me see it, dog. There's no difference to it, dog. You see me? But what me I say is that, dog. Me I look trying to talk it.
Big time, man.
But anyway, brother, a foolish man going I don't agree with it, brother. A bullying, brother. Big man thing.
I didn't know it was that serious. I thought it was. I didn't know it was retroactively affected.
Yeah, like you read it, man. Even know what I read it. Even know what I read it, brother. When I need to know about the contract, them for me know about transfer violation and these things. The man them pick them, brother. The man them adult, dog.
Yeah, making their own go decisions. I think so too.
Yeah, dog.
And I like to approach me junior talent.
Yes, my dog.
You see the talents me approach.
Yeah, dog. Man, them want got them cut, brother. Imagine me have a girl and the girl want left and me don't want her left. they might call me all type of name, brother. You see me, I said that. Make him man them left, brother. If man them want left, them left, brother, because guess what, them not gonna happy, brother. Them not gonna happy, dog. That's why I say, you feel like, say, if this rule go through, and a one man them take, brother, because them not got to no girl. As far as we know, I feel it should have go through, basically. Them take one man. One take a jumper, one take a two of them.
Turkish apply for? Is Turkish applied for?
Yeah, man, Turkey come in wicked, you know, brother.
Turkey, I'm at a thing then, man. Jesus. Rich, you know?
Rich,
man.
Man.
Talk. Well, them a talk still.
Them a talk. But the man them come in, dog, and they must say, yo, a one man may take what go on for the other three man them.
Yeah, because after me, like, how you want me to go back to one place?
Yeah, dog, after them done shame me.
I feel like this going to get caught.
I hope so, it got
I just know if the court date go coincide with allowing them to compete for Turkey.
I think they're within the window when they can compete for 2028 and just if you go through, dog.
Yeah, as I said, bro, I feel like this is a last crap, a free transfer like that. No, man, I feel like, say, yo, I don't think this really going to affect them. I think it's posing that way to affect them, but I don't think it will. I feel like after this, yeah, they might be, alright, watching them boss, to every other country I go to, I won one a year. So I figure that out. And again, as I say, it like have some implications for the juniors as well. Because if I have never competed, like, no, I'm not under 23, that's considered a senior team, right? Before I did that, I would have never competed for Jamaica on a senior level. Does that mean I can no longer compete for Jamaica on a senior level? So is it that why can't I go somewhere else and go compete for them? Like what's a hold up? I have the proper birthright, passport, this part. So what's the hold up? Jamaica never see me now on senior team. So what are they missing out on? What did they lose? True. True. What I really hope man didn't get to go through because it's a hard thing for left and play for
left and come back, brother.
And if come back with the tail behind your leg, man.
Brother.
You know, I'm good look that, man.
Brother. No, next one is question is, do they keep the money when they get so far? Because me can't go through no more money, brother.
No, as I say, I feel like I got a quote because me pay athletes where I want me to take, I can't take back the money I gave them.
Yeah.
Because at the time when I did this, there was no rule preventing it.
Yeah.
So now you're badminton my thing, bro.
Yeah, dog. Alright, yeah, I know. Jordan. You know what? No, it's Michael Jordan. Literal Michael Jordan.
Yeah.
One time, him come out with his shoes, brother.
Yeah, Nike never pay one fine, but him they alright with it.
Yes, because no, but me I said them they ban it.
His shoes. The color?
Yeah.
I think it was like more than 50, some color thing. But Nike they made more money from marketing it than they would have lost. So I'm saying we just pay feet every night.
Yeah, but that me I say I go up to say like the man them at the same Jordan rule like them see it up and say, oh no, don't do that. Then they make a rule for it like.
Turkey have money to pay feet still.
See what going
on. And if I'm it's not a case where it's Barbados taking a Jamaican athlete. These are countries with established economies.
Yeah.
They have money, can't fight it.
Yeah, dog.
Come on now. Saudi Arabia.
But you think they can? You think they can beat the organization though? That I think, dog.
I quote everything doing, bro. Between me now, money do it, bro. And I really just want to present the argument. I'm presenting a quote. So, I even have to beat him. I just have to get something to go through.
If I judge where you go against, what you say? If they go through one and lucky gate after?
They at least go through, but there's going to be, as I said, bro, there's a lot of, what do I want to use now? There's a lot of bylaws involved in it, bro.
Yeah.
As I said, bro, if it's a case where you're stopping, you'll be like, once you complete 15 team, one a year.
Yeah.
What happened when a time for you can't come find a 23 team. You're mad, and somebody wants to sign me for 200,000.
True.
And the biggest team I get from a shoe contract, 80,000.
If you get 80 grand.
If me I get 80 grand. Remember, say 200,000 me I get, you know. I feel me want to,
Yeah.
Me never get no agent. Me never get no coach.
Good point.
I feel me 200,000.
Yeah, cut out someone.
Me want me 200,000.
That's why boy you want to
me want me 200,000. Come on now, man.
Wonder if it tax.
It probably taxing in the country where I get it from, but I see him that we never have 200,000. We never have 20,000 out of 200,000. I'm still at 180 left. It's more than 80,000 I get from a show contract.
Yeah.
So you're gonna stop my thing now.
Yeah,
come on now. You see it, and regardless of what happens, unless Jamaica come out and say if you're which would be bad for the clubs, which you're saying, unless you're a Jamaican athlete, you can't train in Jamaica.
Can't do that.
Exactly. So, me collect my money for Turkey, run to Jamaica, run to trap me, them, everything is okay. Just Jamaica lose out. But, as I said,
but I love to see if we in Pinnock are two of them the true one meet and jump one meet at Jamaica, how you go?
Bro, may I tell you the truth? I see him thing, bro.
What no matter?
No. As I say, bro.
So make your man and go through.
It dirty tough yard, you know.
Yeah, make your man
go through. You dirty tough yard. Me can't see a man collect in millions and bad mind him. Because if you're in a man position, you're going for less.
Yeah.
You're going for less.
So see passport alone. Yeah,
come in, man.
How are you talk?
Me happy for him. Me actually send him a shirt.
Yeah.
Me put it up in my house. We in Pinnock.
Yeah, true.
Stona, Olympic record holder. You know what man?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can't. But as I say, if you do it like this, it opens Pandora's back. Pandora's back is open. If you make fuck say, yo, we want to close the gate for a man when they already go through gate. This, someone go on a court because we don't pay a man the money or the money go.
Yeah.
I can't collect my money, so I go on now.
True.
I need them for 2028 because that was a deal.
True.
That's what you allowed before.
Yeah.
So what happened now?
True.
If you want to do it after, fine, that's okay.
True.
But yeah, and as for Jamaica now or any other country that is losing athletes, why are you based at this leaving? What are you doing wrong?
Yeah, bro. That is the bigger question.
What are you doing wrong? It can't just be money alone. Cannot. Yeah. And if it is just money alone, how much I pay them?
Yeah.
Like what? Me see bill of why you can't pay them 10% more. What wrong with that? Why you can't pay top 1%, 10% more?
Well, the problem is not in that. The staff members are volunteers. So that is, I don't know.
You really doing that business. I just remember you know.
Yeah,
man. Too much of
a I got Bruno and see what I go and see.
My type of making a look.
Yeah, true.
Not right now, but focus. Tune in.
On your lane.
Yeah, on the track. Find man look over.
Hey boy, you have a long ride there, you're afraid. This is rough.
No, but don't get me wrong, you know. Running for Jamaica is one of the...
Nice.
I forget, you're Olympian, you know.
Nice, yeah. Nice.
Bro, you see they do good for Jamaica, my youth. You reach one pinnacle and say, from me, boy, me a dream about this, you know.
Yeah,
when you get a video from you,
somebody on TV.
Yeah, you see a family in the living room. Remember, family normally come together like one time. But everybody now knows because of you. Run with nephew!
That's true.
Come on, man.
That's true.
Come on, that can't be that. You see, at the high school, you used to go school stop.
Yeah.
They need to see everyone.
True.
Principal, coach.
True, man.
The man used to sell your bag juice. No, boy, that.
Yeah.
You can't buy that. You can't buy that feeling there. You cannot buy that. I need second for half hour. You get from your next country just to live this life here. So as I say, it's not always a money thing, bro. And if you lose, you take keep on matching and say, boy, next thing I'm going to scream my name. But they can't be say me lose and me hurt. And choose somebody else have.
Yeah.
Because you tell them me have. He did like say, boy, me have a house when you put down. Yeah, man. Them things hurt me. I mean, I feel.
See what
human being way of feelings, you know. And this is a place where I go, no matter what go on, they have the technology, you know. And I said, they don't have it. Because if what we are doing them right now, see them got Turkey for heal. So they have the technology.
So why not? Yeah. Because build them basically build over Jaydon Hibbert.
I got me. You see man jump video? Yeah, man talented, you know. Oh my God, bro.
Tough boy.
Yeah, so this, why me I say, it opens Pandora's box and I love it for what it does.
Boy, I hope so. See what I go and see what. Anyway, make you know one thing, boy. Anyone else say that's so conflicted. I'm not agreeing with that.
Always.
Yeah. But me realize you're good on convincing him. I don't know why. You're good on convincing him.
Oh, man.
Yeah, dog. But anyway, make it, even if you say, man,
like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Tell a friend.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, bro.
Till next time.
But, yeah, you know, I don't think, let me say me can call.